So this is Flask website. As you all know, it's a web development micro framework, and it's very easy and very useful because with Flask we can create complete websites, we can create web services, and it's very helpful. So and it's very easy to use. So we can quickly check its hello world example here. So it's this code and you can install Flask if you haven't already using this line of command. And I have created one file with hello world code, and here test1.py, and it has only this code, and its main function, it will tell it to run. This is decorator, and it will make it understand that here is its root, and it has to start from here. We have imported Flask here and returned hello world simply. So just create a test1.py file, paste this code here, and you can also paste this code, and you can directly go on and run the app. So like normal Python code we can run. I have this file in documents, and we can run it with Python 3 here. So it started on a local server. We can test it. It should be giving hello world here. So it's correct. And so as you've seen, is it's very easy, and it's just this code, and further we can see various example with Flask, like how to create an actual website with Flask, or how to create a web service, and maybe doing MySQL queries with Flask. So that can be for later, and bye for now.